Hello everyone, I am Harsh Barwani, a student at PW Institute of Innovation, and in this video I'm going to talk about the fees, scholarships and loan provided by the PWIOI. There are basically two programs, School of Technology and School of Management, but their structure of fees, scholarships and loan is almost same in both SOT and SOM. So I'll be covering all these things for both SOT and SOM simultaneously. So without wasting the precious time, let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about the fees in PWIOI. So fees in PWIOI is divided into various subtypes. First is admission fees, which is 50,000, but it is one time and fully non-refundable. Second is accommodation fees. Accommodation fees is approx 1.5 lakhs per year. So it would be 6 lakhs for 4 years and it includes your hostel and mess fees. Then the tuition fees of PWIOI, which is approx 2.5 lakhs per year, but it doesn't include your fees of the parallel degree. By the way, what is parallel degree? So PWIOI doesn't provide its own degree, rather it provides the degree from some other institution. And such fees could be range from 3 to 4 lakhs for the entire course, and then the final amount would be calculated as 20 lakhs. Then let's talk about the scholarships. So here scholarships are given on various bases. First is your marks in any UG level competitive exams like JEE Main, Advanced, NEET, CUET, IPMAT. If you are admitted through the direct admission, and if you are admitted through the indirect admission, then the marks scored by you in your CEE, that is Common Entrance Exam of PWIOI, and your interview will be considered for the calculation of your scholarship. Then your 12th marks, your 10th marks, your family income, and then the gender-based scholarship, but obvious for females, means if you are a female, you will be given extra priority. And their scholarships is ranging from 20% to 100% of their entire tuition fees, that is 10 lakhs. Means you will be given scholarships from 2 lakhs up to the 10 lakhs. Then let's talk about the loan. So there is a provision of education loan in PWIOI. So you can talk about it from their counselor and they will guide you about the entire process of the loan. But I can tell you about the loan conditions of our batch. In our batch, the interest rate was 14%. So if it would be the same for this year too, then you will be paying 2,80,000 as an interest on your fees of 20 lakhs. But you have to pay this interest on monthly basis starting from the first month of your college, and your monthly amount would be approx 6,000 per month. But this is the maximum you can pay. Means if you are getting some scholarships, your paying amount would be surely lesser than this. So I hope I have cleared all your doubts and you have understood all the concepts of fees, scholarships and loan at PWIOI. And further, if you have any doubts, you can comment me down. I'll surely make a video on that as soon as possible. Till then, stay tuned and stay happy.